Hi there, so we're going to take a look at the GKS 10.8V mini circular saw. The saw itself, obviously as you can see, small blade, or they're ready to go. Comes with the attachment to attach to your dust extractor, a spare battery, charger and a guide rail. So all in the tough L box. It's a dinky little saw, I'll admit. Tiny vibration rate of about 2.5 meters per second squared, so that pretty much means you can use it all day without any worry. I wanted this rather than a full-size saw because largely I only use it for lifting little traps in floorboards. So the fact it's cordless is really handy for that. Quick trap and you're done. But let's go and see that for real. Right, so we're just going to lift the little trap in the floor here so I can get to the lighting underneath. Now the unit itself is about 90 decibels, so any more than 20 minutes a day you really want to be using the ear defenders. In fact, snagged a little bit on the nail there, but that's me hitting the nail rather than saw. There we go, job done, nicely cut, nice easy trap to get to my lights, really good. Just to cut a little bit of shelving, just so you can see. Perfect. And that's how see how it copes with a piece of 18mm OSB board. There you go, perfect. Well, I'm sure you agree, that's a fantastic little tool for the job. Okay, yeah, it's not going to do heavy duty cutting, but that's not what it's designed to do. So for an electrician, say, who wants to cut floorboard traps or plumber, it's a great little tool and I love it. Well, I hope that was useful and we'll see you on the next one.